Hey, welcome to HueSaturation. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to make colors pop in Photoshop. Open the picture you need in the Photoshop app. Click on the half-filled circle icon at the layer panel. Choose Hue-Saturation from the list. Move the saturation pointer to the right. The colors of the picture will be more saturated. Click on the half-filled circle icon at the layer panel. Choose Vibrance from the list. Move the Vibrance pointer to the right. The colors of the picture will pop. Click on the eye next to the mask layer. You can see the before picture. If you click on the eye again, you will see the final result. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!